Greetings children, CBSE Reading Challenge 3.0. For doing these exercises, first you have to download the Diksha app in your mobile phone. For downloading this Diksha app, you go to the Play Store and type Diksha app. Then you can download Diksha app. For those people who are doing in laptop or other devices, you can choose this link directly from here 6 to 7 for this link and classes 8 to 10 this link. The link is given in the description box. You can click it from there and reach there. Look at this example 6 to 7. The first step is we have to click on this link. Then changes you made may not be saved. Leave it. We will be taken into an interface like this. Here you can see a join course. Here you can see a join course tab. Click on it. Then login. Then login will come here. Here we have to go to just under this login column. There is register here. You click on that register here. Then select your birth, year of birth. For example, you are born in 2008. Consider it as 2008. Select it. Then give your name. For example, you are giving the name of, then enter your name. For example, you are giving Ashwin V. Ashwin V. Okay. Then either you can use mobile number or your mail ID. Here I am giving mobile number. Type your mobile number there and enter your password. When you enter the password, you have to remember this numerals is necessary, lower and uppercase of alphabet. When you choose a password, you have to remember that it must include a numeral, lower and uppercase alphabet and special characters without any space and 8 characters. Here you simply write your name. Here you simply write your name. One capital ASHWIN. Then your date of birth, then any character, hash. I repeat the same here also. I will show you the password. Ashwin 2008 hash. I understand and accept Diksha terms of use. Click here and register it. Then one OTP will reach your mobile phone. Here I got the OTP of 831650. Then submit. Now you have to log in to continue. Enter your mobile number 79. Then don't forget your password. We are giving the password here ASHWIN 2008 hash. Now you can log in. Look at here. Board, you have to select the board, CBSE. Medium, you have to select here as English. Then class, you can select as you are 6th class. Select it as 6. And subject, you can choose English. Submit. such interfaces will come and you can click on student and continue. Ashwin Kannur, everything, submit. Now the next step is you can join the course. Look at this green button. Click here. Then it will take a little time. Please wait. Look at a reading challenge appeared here. Here it is the introduction module. It will load within 1 minute. Welcome to CBSE Reading Challenge 3.0 Class 6 to 8. Okay, you can click here for completion. So you have completed this module. After completing this module, you have to go back. Then introduction module is over. Reading challenge next. CBSE Reading Challenge 3.0 English Class 6 and 7. Click on here. Loading your content. Continue clicking on this. After reading everything, read everything. Then registration ID, student information. Registration ID of the particular student you have to give here. This registration ID, inserting registration ID is mandatory for CBSE students. Students from other boards can leave this field blank. So here it is very essential for registered students. Here we are entering the registered ID. This will provide from your school. Then click on the arrow. Continue clicking. Select the option that lists the most appropriate image showing the expression of the teacher on hearing Sancti's response. Refer to the image on left. Image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. Here some pictures are here. You can select the one and go to the next question. Like this you have to complete all the modules. Okay. Now unit second. We are doing unit second. Question number 2, 8, 9. Here in this down arrow, if you click on the down arrow, you can read the entire questions. Then click it up. Then you can select which answer is the correct one. If it is this one, you click there and go to the next one. Go to the next one. Go to the next. Then unit third. Like this, you can continue. You can continue. You can continue. Question number 16. Unit 5. This is the way you can register or you can do the reading challenge. Okay. Question numbers are: congratulations, you have successfully completed the course. So this is the first course you have completed. Look at this course reading challenge. Course completion data status ongoing. After completing all these modules, you go to this profile and click on the profile and you can create the certificate here. The certificate will come here. Then you can download it and keep it in your custody, or you can send to the school.